In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your country or region on iPhone. Let's say you traveled or relocated to some other region. It's important to always change your iPhone location to that exact region, and the best part is it doesn't affect your Apple ID or get locked out of previous purchases. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the Settings page, select the option of General. You will then scroll down onto the option of Language and Region. On this page, tap on Region right here. You will then select to any preferred region of your own choice. Let's say you are currently in the UK. Mark that exact location and tap on Change to United Kingdom, and it will automatically set to that exact location. When changed, the time, weather, and other phone settings will change to match your current region. That's how easy it is to change your iPhone region or country. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section. Please don't hesitate to hit that like button if you find this video helpful. Check out these other informative upcoming tutorials too.